student, in this chapter, in last point, wave. Hmm? First, I will read this and then I will give explanation to you. If you blow air over the hot milk or tea while drinking, ripples are generated on the milk or the tea. In the same way, because of this force of the winds, water appear to the moving. The sea water get pushed by the winds and the ripples are generated on the water surface. This is called as the wave. That means if you blow air over the hot milk or tea, that means you drinking the hot milk or tea, at that time they blow air over this milk or tea, drinking ripple are generated. That means there are ripples are generated on this hot milk or tea, on this milk or this tea. In the same way, because of the force of the winds, that means the with the force of the winds, water appear to moving. That means because of the force of winds, that means the force of the winds, water appear to be moving. That means the at that time winds force on this water, at that time this water is start moving. The sea water get pushed by the winds and ripples are generated on the water surface. This is called as the waves. And at that time, in the with the help of the force of the winds, the water appear moving, and sea water get pushed by the winds and ripple generated on this sea water, and this is known as the waves. The sea water move up and down or slightly forward and backward due to the waves. That means these waves are generated to these waves are forward backward due to the waves. That means they up and down. This sea water move from the up and down side, or forward or backward directions. These waves bring energy content in them of the coast. That means with the help of these waves, these are bring energy on them coast. They break in the shallow water near the coast. That means they come with come with come with the shallow water on the coast. Large or small waves are formed continuously at the surface of the sea. That means they large or small waves formed continuously at the surface of the sea. That means म्हणजे तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व केलं असेल की काय होतात, समुद्र किनाऱ्याला लाटा काय होतात, पुढं मागं झालेला दिसतात. जनरेशन ऑफ द वेव्स इन नॅचरल अँड रेग्युलरली ऑकरिंग फिनॉमिना टू. दॅट मीन्स दीज आर दी generation of the waves. Last point you were learns about this. These are the waves are the natural, tides are the natural and regular phenomena. You observe this figure 3.10. waves coming to the coast, म्हणजे at that time wave coming to the coast. This direction up and down, forward and backward. Next one, structure of the wave. The sea water get pushed up and down because of the winds. The raised up portion of the wave is called as a crest, and the depressed one is called as the trough. If the strong winds blowing in one direction, large waves are generated. That means at that time the seawater get pushed up and down because of the winds. That means the seawater get push up and down. That means seawater pushed up and down because of the winds. That means the winds is responsible for the seawater get pushed up and down direction. This raised portion of the waves is called as, that means at that time this raised portion is also known as a crust, and the depressed one is called as the, that means the raised portion is also known as the crust, and the depressed portion is called as a trough. If the strong winds blowing is called as the trough. That means the strong winds is blowing is this is depressed one is called as a trough. If the strong winds blowing one direction, large wave are generation. That means at that time the strong winds generated one direction, at that time large wave are generated. That means the strong wind असेल तर होणार जनरेट होणाऱ्या वेव्स कशा असतात, large waves असतात. Then the vertical distance between the crust and the following trough is called as the amplitude. That means the vertical distance between, these two, that means the vertical distance between the crust and the following trough is called as the amplitude. आणि त्यालाच काय म्हटलं जातं, amplitude असं म्हटलं जातं. Of this wave various, the distance between two successive crests or trough is called as a wavelength. That means here given in diagram. That means the distance